Ever wonder about the history etched in the everyday? The stories behind the objects we use, the food we eat, the clothes we wear. Welcome to a journey back in time where we unravel the mysteries of creation, one object at a time. From the complex tapestry of a Persian rug to the humble paper clip, from the grandeur of a Gothic cathedral to the simplicity of a loaf of bread. We delve deep into the annals of history to bring you the fascinating narratives behind the things you see, touch, and use every day. This is a realm where curiosity reigns, where we quench your thirst for knowledge with carefully researched facts and engaging storytelling. A place where history isn't just dates and events, but stories of human ingenuity, perseverance, and creativity. So, buckle up for a journey of discovery as we peel back the layers of time to uncover how things were made. This isn't just a channel, it's a time machine. Welcome aboard.